Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 女儿. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read it together. 女儿. Very good. So we need to pay attention. First, 女 is 语, 女. We pronounce it first. And roll your tongue. 儿, 女儿. And do you find here have a small dividing mark? So when we write 女儿, you need to add a small dividing mark here. Let's write it together. First, we write 女, 撇点撇横女 and 儿撇竖弯钩女儿 女儿 means dollar, so we can say I love you dollar 我爱你女儿 Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.